Okay, this is the Olympus VN-733 sound recorder. The model number is here. And let's take a look how to disable the sounds. If we press a few buttons, then we can see that there are beep sounds. So to turn them off, go to the menu, press the menu button. Now go using the arrow keys, go down. We are here on the second one. Record, play, and the fourth one, sounds, LCD sounds menu. Now go to the right and go down to beep. Enter beep using the middle button, the OK button, and set it to off. Accept it with OK. And now it's totally silent.